like one who has a case that is bad and harmful, who does not dare to hear the judgment, because by right he loses everything he seeks, and would willingly put the whole case into two friends to make a good settlement. Thus I do with the case of love, for with my lady I know well that right does not help me. So I pray love and cry mercy for the case of love, for in these two I believe that they could make me joyful and glad of her, where right could not be good to me. But since I do not pray to her, nor ask her for anything, what does right help me, or why do I languish more? Since she does me no wrong and honors me truly, and gives me straight and pleasing solace. For I do not have so bad a squire that she would not honor him as much. So help me God, as one ought to do as natural friend. And she will never be so angry at anything that she does not laugh with a good heart when she sees me. And she greatly delights in my profit and my good, and hears the wrong she does me at all times. Myself rich with so much, by God she does it to me, whatever I am told, that nothing fails me of all that I need, except that I dare not show my suffering in such a way that it would displease her, and then I would have all perfect and complete joy. But I do not have enough boldness in me to tell her, since it is not fitting nor proper. If I change my words, that she will change her solace and her response. Especially she who has rich and worthy worth, that if you love her in plain agreement, in right solace and in plain joy, she will love you with a true and whole heart. And if you are forced by true and heartfelt love, which forces the rich and the poor equally, that you pray her with a good heart and in good faith, and love her more than you used to love.
At that very moment she will part from you,
and will see you badly,
and will make accusations,
and will hold you for her mortal enemy. And it is not so with any other people, for in the world there is no Jew so unbelieving, nor Saracen, nor base miser, that if you love him today more than you did yesterday, he will not love you more, whatever his nature, and will not have more common solace with you. That no lady will hold it good for you, and will wish you ill, and will blame you for it. For she has never heard of being so proud, that you love her more than any other ever was.